Go ahead and shoot.
These ugly glasses.
Okay. Well.
Now, is she ready to fire?
Yeah, you got to put it on fire.
Remember, I can't hear you hardly. Ain't got my finger on the trigger yet.
All right, it's ready to fire. Put that to your shoulder. Now, which do you want to? You either look through this, or you turn the laser on.
Fine. I like that.
You like that?
Yeah. Oh, bitch! I'm shooting at that target. Gun's kind of heavy. It's hard for me to hold it because it's heavy. Get off of that. I'm looking. I'm right on it, but I tell you.
You're shooting high, I think.
It's going high. I'm shooting low, honey. Son of a bitch, come off of there! Stop doing anything but chew it up. Here, honey, that thing's heavy, baby.
Right.
I can't hold that.